Hey everyone, welcome back to the networking series. Today, we're going to be talking about network troubleshooting tools, the essential tools that you'll need to diagnose and fix network issues. Whether you're trying to solve connectivity problems, slow speeds, or identify performance bottlenecks, these tools will help you get to the root of the issue. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use some of the most important troubleshooting tools in networking. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about ping. Ping is one of the most simple and commonly used network troubleshooting tools. It works by sending ICMP echo request messages to a target device and waiting for an echo reply. If the target device responds, it confirms that the device is reachable and that the connection is working. Ping also measures the round trip time, which can help you identify latency issues. To use ping, open up a command prompt and type ping followed by the IP address or domain name of the device that you want to test. If the device responds, you'll see a series of reply messages with the time it took for each packet to make the round trip. Next up, we have Traceroute or Traceroute on Windows. Traceroute helps you identify the path that data takes from your device to the destination by showing you a list of routers or hops along the way. It's useful for pinpointing where network delays or failures are occurring. When you run Traceroute, the tool sends a series of packets with increasing TTL or time to live values. Each router along the path decreases the TTL by 1, and when the TTL reaches 0, the router returns an ICMP time exceeded message. This allows Traceroute to map out the path that the data takes and show where delays or issues are happening. To use Traceroute, type Traceroute followed by the IP address or domain name of the destination. You'll see each hop along the way and how long it took for the packet to reach each one. Another useful tool is NSLookup, which stands for Name Server Lookup. It's used to query DNS servers and find out the IP address associated with a domain name or the domain name associated with an IP address. This tool is handy for diagnosing DNS issues, such as when a website isn't resolving correctly. To use NSLookup, open a command prompt and type NSLookup followed by the domain name you're troubleshooting. If the domain resolves correctly, you'll see its IP address. If not, you may have a DNS problem. Next up is IPConfig, or IFconfig on Linux. This tool provides detailed information about your device's network interfaces, including IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateways, and DNS servers. If you're experiencing network connectivity issues, IPConfig can help you verify that your device has the correct network configuration. To use IPConfig, type IPConfig into a command prompt. You'll see the details of your network interfaces, and you can use the command IPConfig /all for more detailed information. Another powerful tool for troubleshooting is Netstat. Netstat stands for Network Statistics, and it's used to display network connections, routing tables, and protocol statistics. With Netstat, you can see all active connections to and from your device, including TCP and UDP connections. To use Netstat, type Netstat into the command prompt. If you want to see a list of all active connections, you can use Netstat -A. This tool is especially useful for identifying suspicious network activity or determining which applications are using network resources. Let's talk about Wireshark, one of the most advanced network troubleshooting tools available. Wireshark is a packet analyzer that allows you to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. It's an invaluable tool for diagnosing complex network issues such as packet loss, delays, or unexpected traffic. Wireshark shows you the contents of each packet, so you can see exactly what's being sent and received across the network. This level of detail makes it a great tool for troubleshooting issues related to protocols, packet fragmentation, or network security. To use Wireshark, you'll need to install it on your device. Once installed, you can capture traffic on any network interface and filter the results to focus on the specific traffic or protocols that you're interested in. Another useful tool is PathPing, which combines the features of ping and traceroute. PathPing sends multiple echo request messages to each router along the path and measures the packet loss at each hop. This makes it great for identifying both latency and packet loss in a single tool. To use PathPing, type PathPing followed by the destination IP address or domain name. PathPing will show you the route to the destination along with detailed information about packet loss and delay at each hop. Let's not forget Speedtest. When diagnosing slow network performance, Speedtest is a simple tool that measures your network's upload and download speeds, as well as latency. While it doesn't provide detailed diagnostic information, it's a good starting point for verifying your network's bandwidth. You can run a speed test by visiting a site like speedtest.net or by using Speedtest CLI for more advanced users who prefer command line interfaces. Another useful tool is Netcat or NC, a versatile networking tool that can read and write data across network connections using TCP or UDP. It's commonly used for debugging, creating network connections, or testing port communication. For example, you can use Netcat to check whether a particular port is open on a remote device. To use Netcat, type NC followed by the target IP address and port number. For example, NC space 192.168.1.1 space 80 will check if port 80 is open on the device with the IP address 192.168.1.1. Finally, let's mention PingPlotter. PingPlotter is a graphical tool that combines ping and traceroute into a visual format, making it easy to spot patterns in latency and network issues. The graphical interface is user-friendly, and it's especially useful for monitoring network performance over time. So to recap, when troubleshooting network issues, you have a variety of tools at your disposal. Ping helps check connectivity, while traceroute shows the path data takes through the network. NSLookup and IPConfig help diagnose DNS and configuration issues, while Netstat shows active connections. For more advanced analysis, tools like Wireshark, PathPing, and Netcat allow you to capture, analyze, and debug network traffic. Lastly, tools like Speedtest and PingPlotter help measure network performance and identify bottlenecks. In the next video, we'll dive into IPv6, the next generation IP addressing system that's replacing IPv4. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.